Hello students. In this session, we will discuss about ensuring housekeeping and safety on the shop floor and proper waste disposal. By the end of this unit, you will be able to perform housekeeping activities on the floor, maintain safety on the floor, know about waste management practices, housekeeping and safety on the floor. Good housekeeping practices are vital for basic workplace safety. To ensure safety, you need to follow the following housekeeping practices. Prevent slips and falls. Slips and falls are the primary reason for many non-fatal occupational injuries or illness. To avoid slips and fall incidents, follow the following practices. Clean up spills and leakages. Do not store items near and aisles and exits. Place warning signs near hazardous area. Replace ripped and damaged flooring. Considered installation anti-slip flooring in areas where cleaning is not possible regularly. Use guard and drip pans. Eliminate fire hazard. You are answerable for keeping needless combustible material in the work area. Store the combustible waste in covered bins. Only keep the required amount of flammable material in the work area. Store flammable material away from the ignition source. Avoid contamination of clothes with flammable liquid. Change the cloth if contamination occurs. Keep passageways and fire doors free from obstructions. Always keep the stair door closed. Keep materials at least 18 inches away from fire extinguisher and automatic sprinklers. Always report the hazard in electrical areas. Control dust. Vacuuming is the ideal way for cleaning dust. Wash down by water and sweeping are some other forms of cleaning. Compressed air or steam is also used to clean unreachable or insecure surfaces. Following are some of the recommendations. Minimize flee from dust from ventilation systems. Use filters for dust collection. Minimize dust accumulation. Provide admittance to all concealed areas for inspection. Check for dirt regularly remains in open and concealed areas. Clean dirt remains regularly. Use those cleaning ways which don't create dirt fumes if ignition sources are present. Use vacuum cleaners for collection of dust. Spills and liquid leakage in the machinery due to the lubricants, overspray, metal filling, and water are commonly found housekeeping problems. For many of these issues, use mats and drip pans to collect the leaks from keeping the work area clean, dry, and safe. Otherwise, this makes the floor wet and slippery. Prevent falling objects. When storing objects, place heavy objects on lower shelves. Don't place equipment near the edge of the shelves. Clean clutter. Cardboard, shrink wrap, leftover production materials, broken wooden pallets, etc. are general form of clutter in a workshop. Disposed of these materials rather than stacking them if not required for any purpose. Empty the trash cans and bins regularly to avoid overflow. Use and inspect personal protective equipment and tools. Wear recommended PPE like safety shoes and glasses while doing the housekeeping activities. Identify the type of PPE required based on the risk associated. Waste management. Waste management can be defined as collecting, transportation, and disposal of garbage, sewage, and other waste products. The process of waste management involves treating solid and liquid waste. During the treatment, it also offers various solutions for recycling items that are not categorized as trash. Classification of waste. Liquid waste. Liquid waste is commonly found in household and industries. These waste include dirty water, organic liquid, wash water, etc. Such waste is called sewage. Solid waste. The solid waste are the useless and unwanted substances discarded by human society. These include urban waste, industrial waste, mining waste, agricultural waste, biomedical waste, and radioactive waste. Gaseous waste. These wastes are released in the form of gases from automobile, factories, burning of fossil fuels, etc., and are mixed in the atmosphere. These gases include carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, methane, etc. Elements of a waste management strategy. Good waste management practices involve much more than disposing of waste legally and properly. Strategies for management of industrial waste can include the following elements: current waste management procedure and primary audit of waste produce, risk assessment to find that storage and handling procedures do not pose any health or environmental risk, identification of reuse options, waste reduction, recovery assessment, and recycling of wastes, selection of the contractor offering the best service, and audit of potential waste management contractors. Waste management methods. Segregation. Waste segregation using a container unit is necessary because plastic, building material, glass, and waste from different work sites could take a long time to decompose. This is the reason it is required to maintain green practices, so waste management should be done with proper segregation. Composting. This waste management process turns waste into organic compounds that you can use to feed the plants. In terms of the environmental advantage, this is beneficial technique. Using this method makes it easy to turn unsafe organic products into safe compost. Burning. Burning waste is usually an environmentally poor waste management option because potential resources are lost and it can cause air, land, and water pollution. This session ends here. Before we proceed to the next topic, let us do a quick recap. By the end of this session, the participants will be able to perform housekeeping activities on floor, maintain safety on the floor, illustrate various waste management methods,